Hi, I'm Stan DeFreitas, Mr. Green Thumb. How do you treat your tomatoes to make sure that they're going to get through and give you this bad boy? Well, one of the problems is the hornworm. Those caterpillars like to get on your luscious tomatoes and eat them up. Something with Dipel in it, Dipel or Thuricide, and it'll be sold under a number of different trade names, different companies, Dipel or Thuricide. It's actually made from the Bacillus thuringiensis, a bacteria toxin that stops the caterpillar from eating any more on your favorite tomato. Another problem you may have with tomatoes will be some fungus problems. Blight, where the plant starts to brown up from the bottom up. Daithing M-45 is one of my favorites, and there's a number of companies that make this product as well. Daithing, I kind of remember the gun, M-45. It tends to cut that fungus problem. If you don't get that fungus problem under control, the plant will die way early. And also, of course, make sure that you're fertilizing on a pretty regular basis. And there's a number of good fertilizers that you can use. Do make sure that you fertilize when you first set the plant. And remember, about every 2 to 3 weeks, because tomatoes are annuals. They're constantly going to be needed water and fertilizer and, of course, good sunlight. If you treat them this way, you should get this. I'm Stan DeFreitas for AskMrGreenThumb.com.